Hello everyone, I'm Pedro Nadal, a developer advocate at Autodesk, working with Autodesk Platform Services. But before joining Autodesk, I worked in architecture and engineering projects. I was developing Revit add-ins, automating repetitive tasks, supporting BIM managers and coordinators. So what I'm sharing today isn't theory. It's coming straight from my hands-on experience as an architect. Today, I want to walk you through what I see as the evolution of BIM project setup. We started with manual setup, endless checklist. Then we built desktop automation, think of Dynamo scripts and C# add-ins. Recently, we got cloud automation, and we are starting to see autonomous orchestration. Imagine the system thinking ahead for you. I want to show you this evolution through a problem I faced myself many times. I call it the Monday morning problem. Okay, it's Monday morning. The project manager walks in and says, "Congratulations, we won 3 new projects. We start next week." And BIM managers know exactly what that means. Before design even starts, project setup, folder structure, discipline models, templates, sheets, links. This isn't design work. It's operational overhead. And it happens again and again and again. We automated it, right? We have Revit add-ins, Dynamo scripts, Excel macros, batch processes. But what still opens? Revit. Which means a machine runs it, a user triggers it, it depends on a UI, it depends on a session. It's automated, yes, but it's not scalable. What if instead of 3 new projects, the project manager says you want 10 projects? Now let me ask you another question. What if Revit wasn't part of the setup workflow at all? What if the control plane moved to the platform? No UI, no desktop dependency, no someone clicking link model, just APIs. That's where Autodesk Platform Services changes the game. Revit remains the authoring tool, but provisioning becomes a cloud operation. And once provisioning lives in the cloud, it becomes scalable. Now I want to show you a real demo. This is a small web application I built using .NET and APS. In this example, the user selects target folder, a Revit template, and can name the new models filling a form with the naming standards related to the folder. And when they click Create Models, it will run Automation API behind the scenes and create a work item for each model, running in parallel. Then, after creating the models, we can see them in a links matrix, and we can link them each other using a web browser, even from a phone. No Revit UI, no desktop session, everything runs in the cloud. The BIM manager doesn't open a file. They provision infrastructure. Once this setup becomes API-driven, it becomes repeatable, scalable, version, event-driven, and agent-ready, opening the door for orchestration and AI. Let me show you another demo. Once your automations are cloud-ready, you can go one step forward and convert them into MCP tools and skills that AI agents can use to orchestrate autonomous operations. Here you can see how an AI agent links 2 Revit models from simple instructions. Now that you can talk to an agent to do things on your behalf, you can go another step forward and enter the agentic ecosystems. Having the software engineering sector as a reference, we see that you can create specialized agents to perform tasks within their own responsibilities. Then, looking to our sector, we could do the same and create specialized agents based on the roles of an AEC project. A project manager agent, a BIM manager agent, a BIM coordinator agent. We also see how software development productivity has increased with this type of patterns, where a software engineer can review the work of an entire team of coding agents without writing a single line of code. What if we bring these patterns into AEC? A BIM manager could review the work of a team of BIM coordinator agents. Once the entire agentic ecosystem is set up, you can chain all these processes into agent workflows. Imagine a new project is added to your ERP. It triggers a PM agent and starts collecting the necessary information. Then it talks to the BIM manager agent and shares the project details. The BIM manager agents create the project in Forma and adds the users, manage permissions, etc. Then the BIM coordinator agent do their part, create the models, links disciplines, publish models, and you can add as many agents as necessary to the workflow. Autodesk Platform Services enables you to remove desktop and UI dependencies, provision projects like infrastructure, and open the door for orchestration and AI. Thank you.